But this week is going to be all focused on self-care. It's an amazing day. My self-care day is going amazing. We're at the beach. It's my last day here, so I'm really sad but so happy that we got to come here. It was pouring rain this morning, but look how sunny and bright and beautiful it is, and there's barely anybody here today. Hey guys, I made it home. I'm back in Trinidad, made it safely. The travel day started off a little, not really crazy because I didn't freak out too much about it, but basically I ended up on the runway, checked my air tags, and realized that my checked luggage was not with me on the way to Puerto Rico. So got to Puerto Rico, my bag wasn't there as expected. But it did end up coming before I even made it through. Well, actually I made it like halfway through security, and then the airline called me back and told me that it came in. So I did indeed get my checked luggage, and I was able to check it in with the next airline, and it's now here with me in Trinidad. Yeah, I mean, the travel day started off just kind of annoying because of that, but in all it was great. I spent maybe 2 hours at the lounge, had some glasses of wine, got some lunch, and made it to my plane. I was the last person to board. They were apparently calling me on the announcements, but it's okay because I made it. That's all that matters. That's all I really have to update you guys on tonight. Just wanted to let you know that I'm here safe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a regular work day, but I am going to be doing a bunch of cool little upgrades around the house. Not even upgrades. I just bought some cute things that I think would be helpful to have. I'm going to show you guys what I got and like what I've been setting up, because I've already been unpacking tonight. So you guys will join me for that in the morning. All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm heading into the kitchen because it's time for breakfast. Actually, it's not even morning, it is lunchtime. Actually, I have to get on a team call. I brought my laptop into the kitchen, but we're gonna make some breakfast while we're on this call. I did want to show you guys, because I've been putting away some of the things that I brought back from St. Thomas, that I went with my dad to Home Depot and got this igloo backpack cooler, and this will come in really handy for whenever I go to the beach with friends, or if we have like cooler parties to go to. I feel like this is so much better than carrying around like a huge cooler. And then I also brought an opener from St. Thomas, because I think when I was leaving here I got one taken away and I was really upset about it, because I like these ones, like these small ones. So I got another one, and then I also got this for when I'm cooking so that I can rest my spoons on here. Very adult purchase. I brought this, which is a little pottery piece that I got when I was in Mexico, and it just has been sitting in St. Thomas, and I was like, why not bring it here so I can actually use it? I'm gonna use that. Not that I really make espresso shots, but you know, maybe you could use them for regular, like alcoholic shots. Brought my vitamins. Of course, I do have to take my vitamins for today. These are just so good. I need to get some more because, like I said, almost done. And the last thing that I think that I got, unless I just haven't unpacked everything, is this vegetables chopper, which I need to put together. But I'm excited to have this. I feel like it'll make my life so much easier, and I'll cook for myself more often because it should be easier, or that's the plan at least. And I feel like I don't say this enough, but all the things that I show will more than likely be in my Amazon storefront, so go check it out. I have things organized so you can go see what I buy and what I actually think is worth it. Fun fact, it is 2 p.m. and I have a confession to make. I haven't eaten anything. I did come into the kitchen last time you guys saw me trying to organize and also figure out what I was going to eat for breakfast. I realized I have no food. It was very ambitious of me to think that there would be things for me to eat. I mean, I can make tuna. I could make some tuna and cakes. So that's what I will actually eat. I realized that I was letting the work day get ahead of me. Like I said, it's 2 p.m. That's pretty late to not have eaten any breakfast or anything for the morning. So I'm adding this into the challenge because like we talked about, this entire month for vlogmas is all going to be focused on the balance, keeping the balance, and also just making sure that I'm prioritizing myself outside of work. So I can't let a whole day go by without eating. But this week is going to be all focused on self-care. I'm going to take you guys along for my maintenance routine appointments. I'm going to be getting my nails done, getting a manicure, redoing my Build a Gel because it's super grown out now since the last time I had them done was before when I left Trinidad. I'm gonna get a pedicure. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna get them waxed. I thought about getting my lashes done, but I think I'll wait a little while on that one. And then maybe I might also get my hair done at some point. Maybe not this week, but I'm gonna get my hair done. Along with that, like I said, I have no food, like fresh food, so I do need to go to the grocery, get some vegetables, get some fruits, get some yogurt, put together my whole list so that I will have healthy options in the house because I want to try not to eat too much, like eat out too much. That's the goal, that's the plan, and now I'm gonna eat. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I'm in Trincity. I'm going to one of my favorite spas here in Trinidad. It's called Nova Beauty Spa, and honestly everything about it is amazing. Like inside looks really nice, it's so relaxing. The staff, they're just amazing. They are so friendly and really make you feel like family. They give you little treats, like you know, it's just really good treatment, and I feel like it's kind of hard to find sometimes in the Caribbean islands. But yeah, I'm excited to get my nails done. I have no idea what I'm actually going to do yet. I've been saving so many like nail inspo videos and pictures on Instagram and on TikTok. I have some extra time, so I'm actually going to pull into Starbucks drive-thru and get some food first of all, so that I'm not starving while I'm there, because I will be there for a few hours, because like I said, I'm gonna get my nails done, I'm gonna get my pedicure done, and then I'm also going to wax my eyebrows. Coffee secured. If you guys have been around for a while, then you know I'm not really a coffee girl, but I feel like I'm becoming one. I got a grande cold brew with chocolate cream cold foam, and it's really good. I love the cold foam on top. It just makes it so chocolatey and so rich. Yes. And then to eat, I got the double smoked bacon cheddar croissant situation. This is what it looks like. Yum. I still have like a half an hour before it's time for my appointment, so I'm gonna eat and then head over there. My self-care day is going amazing. I just finished doing my nails. Look at how cute they are. Please. I don't know what to do with myself. Honestly, it's a little bit different. That's what I'm showing both. But honestly, I think I could make these last through New Year's. I just love them so much. I literally just never want to change them. I've never done like this zebra print, but it's looking great. I love it. I actually ended up working the entire time that I was there. So now I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm at the mall right now. I'm at Trincity Mall. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm meeting up with Abby here. I don't think he's ever been on the vlog, so you guys are gonna meet my friend Abby. We're gonna get lunch. So that's my plan. I'm just kind of starving right now because I haven't had anything since that breakfast sandwich, and now it's 3 p.m. So blocked off lunchtime from work. Things got very busy while I was at the spa. That's why I ended up working, but kind of calmed down now. I've responded to all the like high priority clients that I needed to send updates to. So everything's going well. It's a great day. I feel so good now that I have my nails and my eyebrows done. Like I feel like I can be out and about in the world again. So this was both of our first times at THC, Trini Hot Chicken. Abby is about to give you his review.
Waffles and the two-piece chicken, mild, because I really can't do that hot chicken at all. I would give it a 3 out of 5. I would definitely recommend you check it out. It tastes really good, really good. Not a big fan of the juice though, the strawberry lemonade. It wasn't my kind of drink, but it really tastes good. I love the sauce as well too. And Kariel said it was a kind of mayo ketchup kind of thing, but I ain't gonna lie.
So I had the wrap and I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. It was great. I would definitely come back. Fries were really good. They were seasoned fries, and like you said, love the sauce. But the drink, I got the raspberry iced tea. It tastes fine, but it was just too sweet for me. I'll drink it, but I know I'm drinking sugar. Definitely would come back. You should definitely try it out. We're at the Trincity location, and they also just opened up one in Westmont. Also, I don't have that many followers who are from Trinidad, so if you guys are visiting, you know where to go for food. Wednesday. I usually, to keep myself sane, one of the best things that I think that I do, that I try to be mindful of, is to schedule at least one thing every week so that I actually have something to look forward to. And today, that thing is happening. I did schedule it kind of last minute, but I'm gonna meet up with my friend Kari later. She does these aerial yoga classes, but they always look so fun, and I've never done aerial yoga before. In fact, I've never done a yoga class here in Trinidad before. So I cannot wait for later to see what that's like. I think it'll be a fun, cool, new thing to try out. Nice, cool experience. So that's really pushing me through my day. I have to go at 5:30. It'll take me maybe like an hour to get there. I don't know, it'll be a good day, and I'll get to catch up with Kari. Before that, obviously, today is a regular work day. Yesterday was such a good day. It was so nice getting out of the house, still working, and taking the time to do some things for myself. Please, I just cannot get over how nice these nails look. I love them. This is, I think I said this probably, but this is my favorite set that I've done all year. Love my nail girl. I'm gonna head upstairs. I have one more like big task that I need to accomplish today for my 9 to 5, and then I have a couple of smaller things that I need to get done for my clients, like social posts and things like that. I have to give you guys a quick little rundown. I was definitely late for the class, but it was the best time ever. Like I said, I've never done that kind of class before, but it was so good. I felt so grateful by the end of it. When we got into Shavasana, we were like in little cocoons in the hammocks, and it just felt so good, so relaxing. We kept getting reminders to be like present and in the moment. I will definitely be back. That's all I have to say about it. It was a great class. Very happy that I got to see Kari, because obviously it's been 6 weeks since I last saw her. I just stopped off at my favorite spot to get smoothies. I got Milova from Woodbrook Yard, and I also went by the Jamaican place, and I got 2 beef patties and 2 chicken patties, because I'm gonna probably just eat one and then like save the rest. I might stop by the stadium on the way home, just because, why not? But yeah, I mean, I have my laptop with me, so I could also get some more work done, because I didn't get to do everything that I wanted to get done. So I made it to the stadium. There's a bunch of little kiddos playing right now, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat one of these patties that I bought. This is my first time trying it from them. It's supposed to be Jamaican style. It kind of looks like it, but it's so flat that it's a little hard. I don't really have high hopes, but I'm gonna eat the side that is not as flat and hard, and I'll judge from that side. Pretty good. Flavor is good. It could pass. Good morning. We all know what this sweater means. It's a meeting day. It's going to be such a long day today. In 15 minutes I have my first one, and I'm going all the way until 4. I have 6 meetings today. So, like I said, it's gonna be a long day. Today's one of those days where I just can't really get away from it. I've been trying to use my morning to be productive and like get actual like heads down work done. But once meetings start, it's kind of hard for me to like focus on other things, like hop from one thing to the next. So I'll mainly be doing like communication stuff in between, like sending out emails or messages in Slack if I need to. Even though sometimes, you know, meetings take up like a big chunk of time, they're definitely productive. But let me tell you guys the plan for after work. Today I'm gonna be working out, getting back into my usual workout routine. I do work out with my friend Abby. He's actually a trainer, so I'm gonna go work out with him this afternoon after work. Even though it's a long day, usually I don't like working out on days where it's like long like this, but I think it'd be nice to like get out of the house because I will be pretty much like stuck on the computer all day long. So it'll be nice to get out of the house and actually go move my body and get back into it, because I haven't done any weight training since I was last in Trinidad 6 weeks ago. It is 1 o'clock. I just had the best catch-up meeting with one of my coworkers, the other marketing manager. I love her so much. She's the best vibes. But now I'm gonna find something to eat. It's gym time. Here's my OOTD. It's all from Amazon, all linked in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description box. Today's water bottle of the day, my Simple Modern black one. I love this water bottle so much. I did get a new Owala, but this one is officially just my out and about and especially gym bottle. I've had it for so long now. There's like a few dents and stuff in it, but it's a solid one to have. What advice would you give to somebody who fell off of their routine and they want to get back on it?
All right, first thing I would say is forgive yourself, be kind. Too much times you be our biggest bully. Everybody's fall off, including your favorite trainers and IG models. They fall off as well. Just start over tomorrow. Let tomorrow be day one.
The workout is done. I'm just doing some stretches now. But I just want to say it was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I know you guys only saw a little part of that, but I am in pain and my hip injury hurts a lot more than I thought it would hurt, because I thought it was getting better. But maybe it's just that I wasn't aggravating it because I wasn't really working out that much. I was doing like the little exercises that the chiropractor told me to do, but clearly it probably wasn't enough. But still proud of myself for coming here, getting a little bit of a workout in, and now I'm starving, so I'm gonna get some food. But this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and in the next vlog, obviously we're doing it again, where we're gonna start off with the weekend, because tomorrow's Friday. So once the work day is done, we have lots of fun things planned for this weekend. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.